Hello, welcome back to the Italian Food Boss. Today we're gonna cook pasta with sausage and mushroom. Mamma mia, what a beauty of a pasta. I'll show you what we need. We'll need some sausage, some mushrooms, a bit of rosemary, some pecorino, and then some white wine. As usual, when we use wine for our recipe, we want to make sure that the wine that we use is tasty. So let me try. It's good, I can use it. Let's start, guys. First thing we want to do is we want to pour lots of oil into the pan. Lots of it. Because the mushrooms are going to absorb most of this oil. Extra virgin olive oil, of course, high quality. Don't be stingy. Just pour it here, guys. Pour. That's it. In the meanwhile, we get ready with the mushrooms. So we want to cut it like this. We've cut in slices the mushrooms. Now the oil is really hot, so let's pour it in here. Hear the noise, guys. Now what's gonna happen, the mushroom will absorb the majority of the oil in just a few minutes. In the meanwhile, we prepare our sausage. We have the sausage here, so now what we want to do is we want to get rid of the skin. So we just do this operation, we cut very nicely, you see, and then we get rid of the skin very easily, guys. Now, how many sausages? That depends on you guys. I suggest at least 3 or 4, because the more the tastier, but it's up to you. I remove the skin from the sausages. Now we're ready to mix the sausages and the mushroom. It's all frying beautifully, guys. Mamma mia. I can't wait to taste this. And now you mix. Of course, you decrease the heat a bit, quite low. And now what's gonna happen is that the sausage will release a bit of the fat, and the mushroom is gonna take all that fat to become even tastier. Amazing. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This keeps me motivated to cook even more food. This is tasty, this is amazing, this is a great recipe. Look at this. Wow. You see, you see? You see now? All that liquid is a bit of the fat that is going to be released by the sausage, and the mushroom will capture it. Now we're gonna add a piece of rosemary because this will add some extra taste. Now we'll probably add a bit of salt as well. Still with low heat. Mama, the smell that is coming is something really amazing. Now it's time to add a bit of the wine. Let me have the last drink. And now we let it simmer a bit for a few more minutes. In the meanwhile, we are ready to boil the water for the pasta. Let's start this up. Now we want to wait another few minutes here until this liquid evaporates, and then we want to mix our pasta in this sauce and add the pecorino a bit later. Water is boiling. This is almost ready. Now we put some pasta in here. I'm gonna eat rigatoni de cecco today. I do a bit more because Aurora is leaving, but at some point she will wake up and she will have a bit of this, I'm sure. Pasta is now very al dente. A couple of minutes earlier. So what we want to do is we throw the pasta in here. This is the very important moment, guys, when everything comes together. And did a bit of a mess, don't worry. We mix this in here. Get rid of the rosemary. We keep mixing this. And what we want now, two things. We want to add the pecorino in this, and probably we want to add a bit of the cooking water to create that nice cream. So let's start with the pecorino. Pecorino, you know, if you can find some sweet one, not really harsh. This is good. Then we mix. The pasta will keep cooking while we mix. Look at this, mamma mia. Wow. Look at this, look how it starts to melt. Mamma mia. Look at this, guys. How can you make this? You go in the most expensive restaurant and you won't eat as good as here. Now what we want to do, take a bit of the water, of the cooking water, and we add it because we want to create the cream. We keep mixing so the rigatoni keep cooking. We add a bit more of pecorino. The smell is something fantastic. I am sorry you can't smell what I'm smelling. Alright guys, we are ready to rock. I lost one rigatona. No worries. Look at this. Oh my god. Why I'm so hungry? Why? Why am I so hungry? Look at this. Some of the mushroom. A bit of the pecorino. And we are ready. Look at this. Look at la salsiccia and the mushroom. Ma che cos'è ragazzi? What is this boys? What is this guys? What is this? Look. It's a cream. It's a cream without putting any cream. Guys, enjoy your meal. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Find me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. That's how it's done in Italia.